What's going on, guys? I told you on the trail today that I would do an EDC bag, so here it is. Sorry about the beeps. I'm putting the windows up, give you a little bit better lighting. I would play some music, but I don't know YouTube's trademark, so.
Oh man, come
on. Yeah. So let's get into this bad boy. We got a Maxpedition. I think this is the Falcon 1, 2. Comment in the video below. I got this bag for free, so I'm not really sure. This is an EDC / survival bag. Well, / get home bag. And here we got some fire stuff, priority survival guide, a couple candles, a couple Jolly Ranchers, and a flint steel. Got an 8-hour made in America blue Chemlite. Got some cheap paracord wrapped around a Bic lighter. Oh, excuse me, guys. Got a emergency medical record. I can't show you the rest because I don't want you to know where I live. Got a thing of hot hands. Wow, epic fail. There we go. I got a thing of hot hands. And an emergency poncho. Some of this stuff came from an emergency kit from Walmart. Yes, I did say Walmart. Eat your heart out. It was the Camillus 3-day survival kit. I figured I'd give it a shot. $30 from Walmart. And it came with some decent stuff. Hang on, I'm going to set you guys down real quick. Alright, I'm back. We got a power bar. Yes, I'm cheap. Got a change holder. I want to get a Choli changer like Cutlery Lover has, but I ain't had time. Trash. And no, I'm not on Senso. My mom was. I use this to hold my headphones. Figure why not? Keep stuff together. A couple extra batteries for my Phoenix flashlight. Pack of gum. A Write in the Rain notepad. I bought these and keep on forgetting to bring them in my house. A couple Night Eyes S-banners. A Sharpie and a zebra pen. And then here I carry a tube of lube pen. Up here are some knives. Got the Spyderco Grasshopper. The epic SE Zancudo. Love this thing. Next is the Kershaw Dozer in Desert Tan or khaki. One of them colors. And then in the back, all I have is a SOS food bars, first aid kit, and an ankle brace for my ankle. And then you guys know my EDC knives. Delica 4, Code 4, Swiss Army knife tinker, Phoenix E12. Oh, and also I carry a liter of water, some hand sanitizer, and a Leatherman sidekick. So, comment, rate, subscribe. Let me know what you guys think, what you would change. Please post below. Bye.